Coder, let's crack Leetcode 344 question. Reverse string. This problem is so simple. You're given a character array, you need to reverse it in place. No extra memory allowed. Imagine flipping a name card letter by letter. That's exactly what we're gonna do here by using two pointer approach. Start from left, that is at zero index, right at the end of array, and keep swapping characters at left and right and move inward. Stop when the left is greater than or equals to right. That's exactly what we are going to do. And the time optimize, it is like optimal solution for this. And time complexity would be big of n, space complexity would be big of 1. Let's see here. In our let's run it on Leetcode. Here I have provided you my own notes where I have done this question. First, here we'll be giving the base condition. Uh, Here we have taken left at 0 as you can see, and right is the size minus 1, that is n minus 1. That is the end of the array. And if left is less than right as we have told, then swap. We will be using swap function, then increase the left, then decrease the right. This is what we are going to do on our lead code. Then you can see here this is an example input, this is a sample output. So let's solve it on lead code. So as you can see here, I have written the code. Now let's run this. Just we have done the swapping, so simple and very optimal. Just it takes big of n space and big of 1 space and big of n time complexity. That's all we have done with all cases. Yes, let's upload it. So this is how it works, and thank you.